Welcome back to another video on matrices. We're looking at addition and subtraction of matrices. Addition and subtraction of matrices. And we're looking at four problems, A, B, C, and D. Now the matrices shown, or the numbers shown in the matrices can be many different shapes and sizes. For example, you see in this matrix here you have 4 elements. A 2 by 2 here you have 1 row, 1 column. Then you have here you have a row there, another row there, another row, and you have a column like that, another column there. So you have different types of matrices. Now these shapes and sizes give the dimension of the matrix. In other words, the number of rows in the matrix by the number of columns. So the number of rows is 2. The number of columns, 1 column, 2 columns, so it's a 2 by 2 matrix. Not all matrices are the same, so you have 1 row here, and you have 3 columns, 1, 2, 3. You have 1 row here, and 1 column, and here they're different. So we asked to determine what is the dimension of each of the matrices shown above. So pause the video and take out your notebook and determine what type of matrix is this. Remember, matrices are determined by the rows by columns, or like that. If a matrix has m rows and n columns, it's a m by n matrix. An m by n, rows by columns. So how many rows, how many columns this matrix has? Now if you said this is a 2 by 2 matrix, A is a 2 by 2 matrix, A is a 1 by 3 matrix, 1 row by 1 column, by 3 columns. This has 3 columns. Column 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns, 2 rows and 1 column. This has 3 rows, 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, and 2 columns. So it's a 3 by 2 matrix. So make sure you understand this concept of dimensions of a matrix, because this will help you to solve problems relating to matrices.